I am in a practice course I've created in my Schoology called Jen's Playground, just to demonstrate the whole process for this task that I want to show you. So you can always go up to your courses and make yourself a playground section like I have done here. And what I've done is use the Add Materials button to first create a folder, and I called this folder Sample Unit 1. I would always recommend organizing your items into folders. From within this folder, I have a discussion, an assignment, a quiz. I've just practiced putting in some different things along with some pages. And these are the similar pages you're used to from our course, where you start at the top and click your way through. So to add an assignment, I just choose the Add Assignment button, and that brings up some options for you regarding the points, whether or not you want to Dropbox, and categories you want to put that assignment in. So that is how I got to this spot, practice turning in an assignment. And I have just created a little practice Dropbox here. This is a demo account, so when I come in as the teacher, I see where student work has been submitted. If I were here as a student, I'd see the Dropbox to turn in my work. Donna Caldwell is a demo student, and I have used this demo teacher account to turn in an essay. So here is an essay, and within Schoology I have some nice little tools down here at the bottom. I have a highlighter tool I can use to highlight, and I have a comment tool I can click and type in some comments, and I even have a little drawing tool that I can use. So there's all kinds of different features that you can use right here to annotate right on the student's document. It's not going to mess up their Google Doc or their Word doc, but they'll see this view also and be able to look at your comments. But to really help those comments make more sense, you might want to include a voice recording with those. And to that end, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Vocaroo and Record MP3. So I've switched over to Vocaroo, and the address is vocaroo.com. This is all you get, just a click to record button. When you select this button, you have to allow it access to your microphone. Once you do that, it just begins recording. So you could say something like, I really want to call attention to my comment on the second paragraph where you were missing a topic sentence, or this is where you give your compliments and your suggestions, and you can really work your way through the essay. Obviously, it helps to have it visible to you, maybe in a window on the side or in a printed version, but somewhere you can just have it over on the side. You could switch back to the window where it was turned in, and when you're done with your comments, you can click stop. You can listen to the recording right here to see if you like it, and if you're happy with it, you click here to save it. Vocaroo gives you a link right there, and I can just take this link and I can copy it, and I can go back into the Schoology Dropbox, and I can paste it into my comments and click post. This becomes a clickable link. As you see when my mouse hovers over it, the student can come right back into the comments that I put here, or the comments if this was a graded assignment. There's an area for me to make comments along with a grade up here, and I can put my link up there also. But since this is a conferring process, it's not a graded assignment, I would just put my the link on the side here. So let's just quickly take a tour of Record MP3. The main difference between Vocaroo and Record MP3 is, in addition to giving you a link, Record MP3 will let you download the MP3 file. If you noticed over here on Vocaroo, I also have an option to embed this in a website, which is fun if you're having students podcast and you want those to be embedded on their Google sites. Let me go to Record MP3. Simply click the record button. First, you have to say, okay, I got this message, and then you allow it. Click close, then click OK, I did it. And now I have my record interface, so I can click the record button. I'm recording. I think I'll switch right back over to the student's assignment, and I can narrate through the comments that I left. I can walk through the paper as I see it. Obviously, the student's not seeing it as I'm talking, but they'll be able to pull up the draft and listen to my comments, which will be posted on the side here in audio format. And when I'm done, I have 20 seconds worth of recording here. I just click the stop button. Again, you can preview your recording using the play button, and when you're happy with it, if you don't need to start over, then just click Save Recording. Once my recording has finished uploading, I can copy the link. You'll notice that unlike Vocaroo, Record MP3 does not give me an option to have an embed code. It does give me the option though to save the MP3 file, but I've copied the link, and then I can go back right over into Schoology and I can paste the feedback link in there. Again, it becomes a clickable link. My student can just have their essay over here to see my comments, click play, and those comments will hopefully make a lot more sense. So there is how you can use Vocaroo and Record MP3, two audio recording tools that make it really easy for you to confer with your students in a different way.